Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install TikTok app on your PC. And to do this, we'll need to click on the Start and find Microsoft Store. You can search it for the apps right here. Open it when it's ready. Then on the top we can find the TikTok. And now install it. When it's ready, you can click on the open and here's the app. You need to log in and you can begin using it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.